Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about application of MIS in the area of human resource management. I am Vivek Vyas, working as assistant professor at Institute of Agribusiness Management, Swami Keshwanand, Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner. As you all know, management information system is an help to take decision right to increase the efficiency of management. That's how in different functions of managerial area like human resource, finance, production and marketing, MIS is one of the very important tool for managers to take the right decision at right time. If we discuss about the definition of management information system, Loudon and Loudon explained it is the field of management information system tries to achieve this broader information systems literacy. MIS deals with behavioral issues as well as technical issues surrounding by the development, use and impact of information system used by managers and employees in the firm. Let me take very simple example. For example, in this epidemic time of COVID-19, COVID-19, US has already information about the lethal aspect of this virus, coronavirus. But the decision taken by the human being that they will not take lockdown in the country or they will not take this much serious is a behavioral part. Similarly, you have seen the behavioral issues related to the society and community, even in the case of the daily migrant of laborers from Delhi to different areas of the country, the same factor lies here. They all have information, but the implication and behavioral part is beyond the control of information systems. If we discuss about human resource information system or HRIS are organized method of providing information about human resources, their functioning and external factors relevant to managing human resource. Basic objective of HIRS is to provide accurate, relevant and timely information about HR, their functioning and relevant environment. So we can say if a manager equipped with HRIS, human resource information system, definitely he or she will take the right decision at the right time. This diagram of model HRS will give you very clear idea how this system works. As we all know, system comprises of three units: input, processing and output. So within input subsystem, you can see here that HRS input subsystem includes HR research subsystem and HR intelligence subsystem, which leads to database, and it will give us idea about HR acquisition subsystem, HR development subsystem, appraisal and compensation subsystem, maintenance and IR subsystem. These all are output subsystems. And the information coming out of these things, these all area will be given and will be useful for users. In the case of management and organization, there are different users. We'll discuss about that later in the slide. In input subsystem, HR research subsystem discuss about the various aspect of HR management as job analysis, job description, job employee morale, employee absenteeism, employee turnover, and job evaluation. Whereas HR intelligence subsystem grants gathers information resource from external environment as well as internal environment, both formally and informally. In output subsystem, it consists of five subsystems as already discussed. Number one, acquisition. Acquisition related to planning, recruitment, selection, and placement activity of HR. HR development subsystem related to operative training, management development, and organizational development. Appraisal and compensation subsystem includes performance appraisal, base financial compensation, incentive, and benefits. Maintenance subsystem deals with HR mobility, as I already discussed in the previous section, the mobility of large laborers from Delhi to different part of the country. So HR mobility and within company, if how employees or workers being transferred, deputed, and shared their skill set, it part of mobility, safety and health, and stress management issues. Then industrial relations subsystem deals with discipline, grievance handling, and management of industrial disputes. If we discuss about, there are different softwares available for information system in different field of management. Similarly, in human resource also there are pre-written software available. But if you analyze and we comparison with other areas or business functional areas, there are very less availability of pre-written software in HRIS. There are big organizations like Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Limited, Gas Corporation, NTPC, Hindustan Unilever Limited, ITC. They have developed their in-house HR software and it is helping them to take their decision. Pre-written human resource software available for HR like payroll processing, personal inventory and records, skills inventory, and manpower planning. Though in the last half decades or last 5 years, the trends of utilizing these software has emerged very much. HR analytics, there are other software which are giving human resource managers an edge to take decision. If you see this slide, you will come to know there are different users like HR director, HR planning manager, recruitment manager, training and development manager, compensation manager, safety and health manager, IR manager, and other departments. They are utilizing these all subsystems like HR acquisition subsystems, HR development subsystem, appraisal and compensation subsystem, and maintenance subsystem with IR subsystem. So these all system being used by director as well as other departments. But whereas acquisition is related to HR planning manager, while recruitment manager use HR acquisition also. Whereas HR development used by training and development manager and HR director and other departments, while appraisal and compensation used by compensation manager with HR director and other departments, and maintenance used by safety and health manager, whereas IR used by IR manager, HR director, and other departments of the organization. So there is a simple quiz related to what we have learned in the presentation. The first question says HRIS stand for Human Resource Integrated System. Is it true or false? The answer is false. HRIS input subsystem include HR development subsystem. Is it true or false? It is false. Employee turnover is related to HR research subsystem. It is true or false? The answer is it's false. Pre-written software of HR is much higher than other managerial functions. It is again false statement. HR development software used by training and development manager only. It is again false statement because it is used by HR director, training and development manager, and other departments. Now you have to write a 200-word short notes on human resource information system by utilizing the knowledge in this slide. I also give a question to draw HRIS model without going back to the presentation. Then, who are the users of HRIS software? You can narrate your learning in 100 words. This is from this total slide. I hope you have learned a basic fundamental about what is human resource information system and how it impact managerial capability of HR manager in any organization. And as we are going in vulnerable, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous word, VUCA word, where black swan situation like this COVID-19 epidemic is pertaining so much. So system-based learning and knowledge is really very important for any manager. So if you are going to be a global manager, definitely such kind of software knowledge and utilization of this software will be very useful. And as we all know, information is a tool and power amongst the managers. So definitely right information at right time can change the results for organizational growth and success. You can call me and you can message me and you can ask the question related to this presentation at any point of time. Thank you so much and keep learning.